Hello everyone and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're going to talk about the best plastic queen mattress cover available in the market, the Queen SureGuard Mattress Encasement. The SureGuard Mattress Encasement is a premium 6-sided cover that offers 100% waterproof protection, making it ideal for protecting your mattress from spills, bedwetting, liquids, and stains. It is also bed-bug-proof, hypoallergenic, and made from premium cotton terry fabric. The SureGuard Mattress Encasement provides complete protection against perspiration, urine, liquids, and stains, extending the life of your mattress. The advanced zipper technology seals off the mattress from bed bugs, providing peace of mind and a restful night's sleep. The mattress cover blocks dust mites, allergens, bacteria, and mold, making it ideal for those with allergies. The encasement is machine washable and dryer safe, ensuring easy maintenance and longevity. The SureGuard Mattress Encasement is made from high-quality materials and expert workmanship, ensuring a lasting and reliable protective cover for your mattress. The advanced zipper design and clear instructions make it easy to install the encasement on your mattress, providing hassle-free protection. The premium cotton terry fabric is soft and noiseless, allowing you to retain the feel of your mattress while enjoying a clean and fresh sleep surface. In conclusion, the Queen SureGuard Mattress Encasement is the best plastic cover for your queen mattress, offering superior protection, durability, and comfort. Don't compromise on the quality of your mattress protection. Choose SureGuard for a peaceful night's sleep. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews.